Your I am is the key to all you seek. Neville Goddard.
To grasp the profound truth of I am, you must first recognize its simplicity and power. It is not a complicated concept shrouded in mystery, but rather the most basic and essential aspect of your existence. The words I am are not just a statement of being, they are the very essence of your consciousness. Whenever you say I am, you are acknowledging your awareness, your presence, and your divine nature. This is the secret that has been hidden in plain sight throughout the ages, the key to unlocking the life you desire. The phrase I am is the name of God, the name that each of us carries within. It is the foundation of all that exists, the creative power that brings everything into being. When you say I am, you are not just identifying yourself, you are declaring your connection to the infinite, the eternal, the source of all creation. This is the ultimate truth, the realization that can change your life in ways you never imagined. But knowing this truth is not enough. You must test it. You must see for yourself the power of I am in action. This is not a matter of blind faith or belief in something outside of yourself. It is about understanding that the power to create, to manifest, and to shape your reality lies within you. By consciously using I am to define who you are and what you experience, you tap into this power and direct it towards the life you want. Consider for a moment what you say after I am. These words shape your reality, for they are the seeds you plant in the garden of your mind. If you say I am tired, you manifest fatigue. If you say I am prosperous, you attract wealth. The universe responds to these declarations because it recognizes the divine authority in your words. Your consciousness, your I am, is the creator of your world. This is not a new idea. It is a truth that has been taught by sages and mystics throughout history. Yet it is a truth that is often forgotten or misunderstood. People tend to look outside themselves for answers, for signs, for proof of a higher power. But the truth is that everything you seek is already within you. The I am is the doorway to all that you desire. It is the key to unlocking the treasures of heaven, the path to realizing your highest potential. You might wonder how to test this truth, how to see the power of I am in action. The answer is simple. Start with something small, something that you can easily believe. Declare I am healthy when you are feeling unwell, or I am successful when you are facing challenges at work. Do this with conviction, with the understanding that your words are shaping your reality. Then watch as the universe begins to rearrange itself to match your declaration. This is not magic. It is the natural law of consciousness at work. As you begin to see results, your faith in the power of I am will grow. You will start to realize that there is no limit to what you can create. The only limitations are those you impose on yourself through doubt, fear, or negative self-talk. But when you stand firm in the knowledge of who you are, when you know that I am is the name of God within you, those limitations fall away. You become the master of your destiny, the creator of your world. This truth is not just for a select few, it is for everyone. The power of I am is available to all who recognize it and use it consciously. It is not something reserved for the spiritually advanced or the religiously devout. It is the birthright of every human being, the essence of our shared divinity. Whether you are rich or poor, educated or uneducated, young or old, the power of I am is yours to claim. But with great power comes great responsibility. You must be mindful of how you use your I am. Every thought, every word, every feeling is a declaration of your reality. If you allow negativity to dominate your mind, you will create a life of struggle and hardship. But if you consciously choose to affirm the positive, to declare the good, the true, and the beautiful, you will manifest a life of abundance and joy. This is not about ignoring the challenges of life or pretending that everything is perfect. It is about recognizing that you have the power to change your circumstances by changing your consciousness. When you understand that your I am is the creator, you no longer feel like a victim of circumstances. You take control of your life knowing that you are the architect of your destiny. Assume for a moment the kind of life you want to live. See it clearly in your mind's eye, then start to affirm it as your reality. Say, I am happy, I am fulfilled, I am loved, I am successful. Say it with conviction, with the understanding that you are not just making a wish, but declaring a truth. Hold on to this truth even when circumstances seem to contradict it. The outer world is just a reflection of your inner state. As you persist in your declarations, your reality will begin to shift to match your new consciousness. This process requires patience and persistence. It is not always easy to hold on to your truth in the face of adversity, but this is where the test comes in. Will you continue to affirm your I am, even when the evidence suggests otherwise? Will you trust in the power within you, even when it seems like nothing is happening? This is the challenge, the test of faith that you must pass if you are to see the full power of I am in your life. As you persist, you will begin to notice subtle changes. Your thoughts will become more positive, your emotions more stable, your life more aligned with your desires. These are the signs that your consciousness is shifting, that your I am is beginning to assert its true power. And as this process continues, the changes will become more and more apparent until you are living the life you have always dreamed of. This is the promise of I am. It is not a promise of an easy life, free of challenges and difficulties, but it is a promise of a life in which you are in control, a life in which you are the creator, not the victim. It is a promise of a life in which you are aligned with the divine power within you, a life in which you are fulfilling your highest potential.
This is the ultimate truth, the realization that will change your life. You are not separate from God, you are one with God. The name of God is I am, and this name is within you.
When you say I am, you are not just identifying yourself, you are declaring your divinity, your connection to the infinite, your power to create. This is the truth that has been hidden in plain sight, the secret that has been waiting for you to discover. But now that you know this truth, what will you do with it? Will you continue to live as you have, allowing circumstances to dictate your reality? Or will you take control, using the power of I am to create the life you want? The choice is yours. The power is within you, waiting for you to claim it. This is not about blind faith or wishful thinking. It is about understanding the true nature of consciousness and using it consciously to shape your reality. It is about recognizing that the words I am are not just a statement of being, but a declaration of your divine power. It is about realizing that you are not just a passive observer of life, but an active creator, a co-creator with God. This is the message that has been given to humanity throughout the ages, the message that has been repeated by prophets, mystics, and spiritual teachers in every culture and every time. But it is a message that is often misunderstood, ignored, or forgotten. People tend to look for answers outside themselves, seeking guidance, signs, or miracles from a higher power. But the truth is that the power is within you, in your own consciousness, in your own I am. When you understand this truth, everything changes. You no longer feel helpless or powerless. You no longer feel like a victim of circumstances. You realize that you are the creator of your reality, that your life is a reflection of your consciousness, and that you have the power to change it. This is the ultimate freedom, the freedom to create the life you want, the freedom to be who you truly are. But this freedom comes with responsibility. You must be mindful of your thoughts, your words, your feelings, for they are the seeds you plant in the garden of your mind. Whatever you declare with your I am will come to pass, whether it is good or bad, positive or negative. So choose wisely, declare only what you want to see in your life, and watch as the universe responds to your command. This is not a quick fix or a magic formula. It is a way of life, a way of being that requires commitment, discipline, and faith. But the rewards are worth it. When you live in alignment with your I am, you experience a life of abundance, joy, and fulfillment. You become the master of your destiny, the creator of your world. This is the truth that can set you free. The only God is I am, and this God is within you. When you understand this truth and use it consciously, you unlock the power to create the life you want. You realize that you are not separate from God, but one with God, that you are not just a human being, but a divine being with the power to create your reality. The power of I am lies within each of us, a truth so profound that it has the potential to reshape our lives. This understanding brings with it a sense of control and responsibility that is both empowering and liberating. The words you choose to follow, I am, are not mere affirmations. They are the building blocks of your reality.
Every thought, every declaration is a step towards creating the life you desire. When you realize that your consciousness is the ultimate creator, you unlock the ability to direct your life in the direction you choose.
This truth does not depend on external circumstances or conditions. It operates on the principle that your inner state determines your outer world. When you align your thoughts and words with the reality you wish to experience, you set in motion a chain of events that inevitably lead to its manifestation. This is not about wishful thinking, but about conscious creation. It's about using the power of I am to claim your authority over your life. Consider the possibilities that lie before you. With the understanding that I am is the source of all creation, you have the power to bring forth anything you desire. Whether it's health, wealth, happiness, or success, all of it is within your reach. The key is to maintain a disciplined mind, to focus on what you want rather than what you fear. As you practice this, the results will speak for themselves. The reality you experience will be a direct reflection of the consciousness you hold. So as you go forward, carry with you the awareness that you are the creator of your reality. You possess the power to shape your life in any way you choose. The name of God, I am, is not just a statement of existence, it is the most powerful creative force in the universe, and it resides within you. Before you move on, I invite you to take a moment to reflect on this message. If you found it valuable, don't forget to hit the like button. It really helps the channel grow. If you're interested in exploring more insights like these, make sure to subscribe to stay updated. Share this video with someone who might benefit from this understanding. Your support makes a huge difference. Also, if you have thoughts or experiences related to this topic, leave a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. Lastly, if you want to be part of this journey, subscribing will ensure you never miss out on future content.